Hi friends, how are you doing? This video will tell you what is a function, what is the syntax for a function in Python, how to write a function in Python. Let's get started. So this is a simple function, as you can see, where your function is the name of the function, def is a keyword that is used to define that, and colon is how the line ends. So this is called as function definition, and this is called as function call. So there are two aspects to the function. One is function definition, the other is a function call. So you have the def keyword, you have the name of the function, and then open and closed curved braces, and then the colon to complete the line. And what goes inside is the content of the function, which is just a print statement. So we give a tab to show that all the lines with the given tab belong to this function. So if you execute this, you get the line, this is a function definition. So this is what a function is in Python. So this is the simplest of all the functions. You don't have any parameters to be passed. Now here there is a same function, but it accepts one parameter, which is a. So let us say num equal to 9, and then we call the new function and pass the number 9. So 9 is received in a, and then it is squared and assigned to b, and then b is printed. So what will be the answer for this function? So it is 81. So as you can see, a function is used to do a separate job, a specific job. Usually only one task is done by a function. And what is the use of a function? Functions make the program modular. It makes the code to look clean. Don't you agree? The functions make it modular and it makes the code clean. Here you can see I am calculating the square of a, but I am returning the value b. So I calculate the square of a and then return the value b, which is then printed by using this printx statement. So I call the function and then I pass the number 9. Number 9 is received in a, and a star a will be the square of a and assigned to b, and then b is returned back to x. So here the x contains the value 9 star 9, which is 81, and 81 is printed here. So the difference between this and this is, here I am printing the answer in the same function. I am not returning it, but here I am returning the square of a back to the caller. So the caller then prints the value of x. So we have seen what a function is. This is a simple function without any parameters passed or anything returned. This is a function where you accept a parameter and print the square of it. And here we pass a parameter, calculate the square of it, and return the answer, which is then printed over here. So hope you understood the idea of a function and how to pass a variable to a function and how to return a variable back from the function. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe. Please leave your comments below for any other video you would like me to do in future. Thanks for watching.